Hello, I'm so excited you're able to join us today for this virtual Foundation for Edmonds School District fundraising event. My name is Erin Zackey, and I'm a teacher here in the district and the fortunate recipient of numerous creative classroom grants over the years. I teach at Edmonds Heights K-12 and have the privilege of teaching mainly elementary science and math courses. Through the foundation, I've been able to enrich my courses with materials such as student-sized binoculars, pocket microscopes, identification guides, math games, and this year, art supplies. Like these. Having the support from donors like you means that I'm able to provide resources to my students without charging a class fee, which I know has allowed my class to be more equitably accessed. As a primary science teacher, I'm known by my students as Ms. Frizz, and so I'd like to share some science content with you today. I've recently been learning about the neuroscience of giving, and from a Psychology Today article on the topic, neuroscience has demonstrated that giving is a powerful pathway for creating more personal joy and improving overall health. When we give of ourselves, our time, and our money, we are actively promoting our own health. So we hope you will give generously today. Recently, I've spoken with other creative classroom grant recipients here in the district, and we agree that we care deeply about giving our students engaging, hands-on learning opportunities. Tools teachers receive have allowed them to challenge and inspire their students to go beyond the basics, and this helps us build a recipe for success in our classrooms. With your support today, you are giving teachers and the students and families across our district opportunities to also build new recipes for success. So thank you for your participation today and for your generous support.